You'll never get away.
You're cornered.
Crabs, okay. Watch out.
Give him a hug.
Give him a hug.
You're not getting away.
I can't get both of them in the picture.
How old are you? Tell him.
Oh, she sees something.
Uh-oh.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
See, I told you you were going to meet Big Bird today.
Isn't that nice?
Shy.
Say hello, Big Bird.
Big Bird talks on
Is
He's
he
a what?
small?
He's a yellow.
$50 mail-in rebate check. For small businesses, choose Verizon. Any other wireless.
Hi, Big Bird.
Small
Big
business
Bird's here, too.
Visit any Verizon Wireless store. VerizonWireless.com/smallbusiness.
That's so cool. Hi, Big Bird. We're getting a butterfly feed today. Nice.
Uh-oh, he thought he was getting Big Bird.
Oh, that would have been nice, too. Oops.
This is a checking account that still lets you bank.
Going back outside, Big Bird? Or are you about to run around with the kids in the restaurant?
Online banking with
Don't
Bill
know.
Pay.
There's only a couple of kids here today.
Anywhere. And the added value of
Maybe they're still on their way.
It's free and easy checking. Only at Citizens Bank.
All right. Fist bump with Big Bird.
Excited. You want to get out? Yeah? Okay. Uh-oh, Big Bird is right
Surprise, surprise. Big Bird, he's gonna get you.
I want to say that the guy that was doing Birdie last week was a little smaller, though. But I don't know for sure.
Always reminds me of the rain car. Oh, really? This was always the song I played in the tape as fast as I could. And I always wanted it to be for the girls' hot dogs. And they always don't have the sign that Big Bird's up on the
Yeah.